As we'll be learning how you can change and also fill oil into your industrial sewing machine. All we'll be needing for today is oil pan, a screwdriver, machine oil, and a towel. Before we continue, I'd like you to subscribe, like, and give this video a thumbs up. So first we have to do first is for us to lift our machine backward. Raise it up like this. Now my machine is lifted. If you look into your oil pan, you will notice a screw. All you have to do is to unscrew it with your screwdriver. But before you do that, be sure to put your oil pan directly under so the oil drain into your pan rather than it litter your floor. So I'll just unscrew now. That is the oil going into the pan. Then I'll take my towel. Now I'll clean the inside with my towel. See how dirty my machine is. See how dirty it is. Now my machine is super clean. Okay, I'll just clean the nut. When you are done cleaning, always remember to put back your nut. Now I have to pour a new oil into the machine. Be careful for it not to be lower than this and not higher than this. So I'll pour now. And the oil is on this. So now I'll bring down my machine.